Welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Justin is back with 5-minute hairstyle for black hair. This is a topic of interest to a lot of people, so don't leave the screen. I will be back after this intro. Black hair is an extremely popular hair color with hair extension because of its true beauty. However, if you want to keep using the same hairstyle for your hair, it will be boring. So let's come to 5 minutes hairstyle for black hair. The first hairstyle you can easily do are buns. This is a very simple way you can help change your hairstyle. You can do a bun with any hairstyle such as straight hair, big curlies, small curlies. All you need to do is gather your hair to fit your hand. Then use your non-dominant hand to hold the section of hair you just gathered. Next, use your dominant hair to twist all the hair. Gently roll your ponytail to the point you have held and secure with a hair tie. It is simple, right? With a bun, you won't need 3 minutes to create yourself a new hairstyle. The buns will help your hair become neater and flatter your face. The second way for 5-minute hairstyle for black hair is to tie the hair in a ponytail. Like a bun, you can completely tie your ponytail with both straight and curly hair. This way even only takes 1 minute to create. You just need to gather all your hair and tie it up. However, to make this hairstyle more interesting, remove the 2 sections of hair near your part of the tie part and leave the 2 sections of hair loose. This hairstyle will have your face becomes more slimmer, giving you a sporty and youthful style. The third way for 5-minute hairstyle for black hair is braiding. Unlike above 2 hairstyles, this hairstyle will take more time to do and is more suitable for straight hair. The first step is to comb the hair and untangle it. Brush your hair from root to tip for smooth hair before starting. Then divide the hair into 3 equal sections at the nape of the neck. You will have a section of hair on the right and a section of hair in the middle and a section of hair on the left. The left hand holds the left side of the hair and the right hand holds the right side of the hair. Pull the right strand of hair over the middle strand. Now, the right strand will be in the middle and the middle strand will shift to the right. Then, squeeze the left strand over the newly created middle strand. Now, the left strand will move to the center and the middle strand will move to the left. Continue braiding the hair right and left side of hair alternately. Remember to always put outer hair on top of the middle hair. When braiding, remember to pull tight so that the braid does not come loose. If the braid is too loose, the hair will fall out. After tying the braid, you can use your hand to squeeze the braid looser. Braiding while using your finger to stroke your hair will make the braid smoother and neater. Finally, tie the braid with an elastic band. Remember to tie your hands firmly. If the braid is still loose, tie a few more rounds to tighten it. This hairstyle will be both neat and youthful, bringing a new breeze to your hair. And that is the 5-minute hairstyle for black hair. If you want to learn more about 5-minute hairstyle for black hair, don't hesitate to text me with this WhatsApp number. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.